Hello guys, this is Haziran from HDFX, and today on this analysis at least I would like to talk about US dollar Canadian dollar. US dollar Canadian dollar has been bearish for a long time now since this triangle has been broken, or triangle pattern, or whatever it is. This consolidation pattern is broken. It's been bearish. Now look what the chart looks like. Well, we were up, and something finished here. And now something bearish has started, yes? So let's try to label it. Well, I'm sure most of you would agree that this is a good place for a wave A, and it looks like this is a wave B. Now, if this is a wave B, we need a wave C. If we'll put wave C somewhere here, which is good, so it means that we have A and B and C. So what we should do? Well, right now what we should do is exact the label here, the start and the end. Why? So that we can see the retracement level for our wave B, to see that if it's a zigzag or a flat. As you can see, it is a flat. Why it is a flat? Well, it's because our 618 level is right here, and this B wave is even more than 786 level. Okay, so then what? Then we draw our 0 to B trend line, and in due time, as you can see, this after the C wave is done, it doesn't come up all the way to the B wave. It means that whatever this price action is can only be an X wave. Now we are a little bit lucky because right now we are doing it later, and we know that this X wave took so much time. It's this. It took so much time. Now look, it looks like whatever it is that started here is actually ended here. Now, in this inside, there is no need to count it as of now. We don't need it. But what we need in these scenarios, I would usually not use Elliot waves. I actually did some other type of video, not video, but another idea to show it to you. In this case, when it's consolidation, these other patterns work so good. For example, support and resistance levels, such as look, price come here one time, two time, third time, to this area, fourth time. It was always a good place to buy. Okay, and if you did like if you draw a trend line somewhere like this, it was always a good idea to sell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that kind of stuff. Those kind of stuff work too if you're using it nice. So after this X wave, what do we have? Well, after this X wave, we need a wave, another A wave. Now, here's the tricky part. It is easy to just say A, B, and C. Okay, it's perfect. And now it looks like we will have another X wave, and then we will have another this. Now, here's the tricky part. Tricky part is this. You can only have two X waves. So if you're in a complex correction, the moment that we have an X wave, it means that we are in a complex correction. Well, because we can only have two X waves, this means that maybe whatever it is that will happen here from ABC, which is, I agree that this is an ABC, but I'm not so sure about the degree of it, if you know what I mean. Okay, so what we are looking for is a wave A. True? True. But this wave A can be on this level, something like this. For me, this makes more sense to have a wave A here, wave B here, and a wave C here. Now you will see that this is a zigzag pattern, of course. I don't have to draw this fib and this kind of stuff. And this after this, we will have an X wave. It looks like, because this time already passed. Now after this zigzag, after this X wave, the price can do many things. Now, what we should know is if the market has come here all the way here, it will most likely to don't wanna take off this gap, close this gap, okay? So it's like too soon to stop. But so my idea of bearishness still continues. But in here, we don't know what will market will do. Well, we have an idea. What are the ideas? Well, we are in an A wave, yes? Even though we don't know the one bigger degree, but we know that we are on this degree. So it means that from this X wave to this A wave, it has to be a corrective wave. So I will not try to even say 1, 2, 3, whatever, understand? Now, let's write our possibilities here, because this correction has started with a zigzag. So we have a zigzag already in place. We have an X wave already in place. Where are we? Look, 1A, B, C, and we are doing a zigzag. Now look, zigzag, and we are doing this X wave. Now this X wave, can it be done here somewhere close? Yes, technically it can go a little bit more, but usually after a zigzag, and if it's like this pattern, it will look like it will go down soon. Okay. So after the zigzag and in this X wave, now what we have? Well, we can have a flat. This is a possibility. It means that the price after this X wave is done, sorry about this, it has to be this one. Let's get rid of this first. So after this wave X is done, the price can do something like this. A, B. It can either do this or it can do a failure, so that it will be this wave A is done, and it means that we will look for a wave B here, and a C, and maybe a D, that sort of thing. Okay, but let's not go forward so much. Now this can also be a triangle. So it means that the price will do something like this. After this X wave, it will be like this and like this. A, B, C, D, E. In that case, our wave A will be done here, and it will go up for the wave B wave. Okay. Now these look like it's still bearish, but this main idea after this wave A is done is still bullish for wave A. Why? Look, after this X wave is, let's say that our wave A is done here. Okay, what I have to do now to show you this. This is the X wave. This is where this wave A is done. What kind of wave it is, this A wave? Well, it is a corrective wave. It means that this B wave has to go minimum 618. So in that case, what I will do is take my fib level, put it here, and I will say this B has to come here minimum. Okay, so whatever this situation, when it will be done, we will have to go here. Okay, but the problem is for us is, as of now, market is still bearish, and this bearishness will continue until this wave A is done. And after this, of course, I wrote some of the possibilities here, which this one is I like the most, and what I see the most. But it doesn't mean that it will be like this. It can also, be something like triple combination and triangle. But this triple combination, uh, it can happen too. Yes, there is no reason for it not to. So it can be also zigzag flat, like another zigzag too, which will be more destructive. We can even have a triple zigzag actually, if we can still go in this type of bearishness. And we can have a triple zigzag, ABCX, ABCX, ABCD. Now that will destroy. If you're bearish US dollar and if you're bullish Canadian dollar, then it's pretty good trade. It will go on forever. Actually, uh, triple zigzag patterns are usually more destructive than any type of impulsive move, because look, triple zigzag, first zigzag have two impulsive waves, two impulsive waves. A wave, A impulsive, C impulsive wave, A impulsive, C impulsive wave, A impulsive, C impulsive. So it's like this. So if you will have a zigzag family pattern here, then it will be much lower this way. Still, it will have to go 61.8. So of course, if it will go like this much, then it means that we will take our fib level here and 618 will come down. But these are the type of ideas that you should always think about. So if you want to trade this pair, what I would do right now is ABCX, and I would wait for a new low. If I see a new low, you may try shorts below X to for another wave A down, but you cannot know for sure now what kind of A wave will be, because this A wave can be type of flat, or it can be type of another zigzag, or it can be from a triangle. So what I'm trying to say is this: after this X wave is done, from the same degree it will be a wave A, but this wave A can be part of, let me write it down for you. It can be a part of flat, it can be a part of a zigzag, or it can be part of a triangle. Now, this wave A. So, if this wave A is done here and you see a B wave that doesn't go more than 618, then you can try another C wave. Then it means that at that time, the price does look like it will make a double zigzag pattern or even a triple one. So, it will be, the market will tell you what it will do. Don't worry about it. So thank you so much, guys. See you on the next one.